Nice and cozy reception area. Stunning guest bathroom. Very spacious kitchen. Very modern features. Which leads to a living room area. And the outside enclosed bra area. Ideal to entertain guests. Down the stairway you will find 3 bedrooms. To the right is the first bedroom. The flooring needs to be finished. Additional packing space. Stunning bathroom. Floor to seat tiles. Beautiful wooden flooring in all of the rooms, very spacious as you can see, with the sliding door that leads to the garden. The third bedroom, also very spacious, lots of cupboards, beautiful wooden flooring. And now to the top master suite. This is the main master suite. Stunning features with a nice gleaming ensuite bathroom.